guys, what is up, what it do? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Casey, and if you are new, take 1 second, go down below, hit that subscribe button and click that little bell button so you'll never miss when I upload a new video. So as you guys know, I just recently graduated college. I went to Florida International University here in Miami, Florida. So trust me, I know all about homecoming season. I know how exciting it is for college students. So I'm super excited to be partnering with Creme of Nature today to be giving you guys a really fun wash and go video. So during homecoming season, there's always a lot going on during the day parties, football games, festivals, and then at night there's always the turn-ups. So sometimes there's parties at clubs, sometimes there's parties on campus. So I'm going to show you guys how you can use Creme of Nature's coconut milk collection to style your hair for the festivities during the day and then freshen it up for the turn-up at night. The best thing about this collection is that it is extremely affordable, so it's perfect for college students. I actually just got out the shower and I've already washed and conditioned my hair using the Creme of Nature coconut milk detangling and conditioning shampoo, as well as the Creme of Nature coconut milk detangling and conditioning conditioner. These are actually two of my favorite shampoos and conditioners, especially from the drugstore. You guys have seen me talk about these on my channel previously. They're awesome, they work amazing together, and they're like $4 a piece. So since my hair is already washed, we're going to go ahead and jump into the first wash and go look, which is the daytime look. So if you're interested to see me transform throughout the day, then just keep watching. Okay, so like I mentioned, I have already washed and conditioned my hair using the coconut milk shampoo and conditioner. So I'm going to go ahead and get right into styling. I also like to do my wash and go in small sections, so I'm just going to use these clips to clip my hair out of the way so I can make sure that I'm getting the product on every single strand of my hair. That really helps to give you more definition. And it just makes it easier with styling your hair, so you're sure that hair doesn't get in the way. This is a super easy one product wash and go using the Hydrating Curling Cream. I really like this stuff because it is super thick, and I find that I can use it by itself. I don't need to layer it with other products. It gives me the moisture and the definition all in one. I also really like that it's not a super strong hold. It's like a medium hold, but it gets rid of frizz and adds a lot of shine to my hair. For me, when I know I'm going to be around a lot of people, just mentally, I don't like to use gels in my hair because I know people are gonna ask to touch my hair and I want my hair to be soft. That might sound kind of crazy, but those are things that I take into consideration when I'm trying to decide what product to use for that specific day. So when I know I'm going to be like at a festival or at a football game or a party, I definitely want my hair to have that hold but still be nice and soft and touchable. Typically, I do like to do my wash and goes in the shower just so I can be sure that my hair is dripping wet when doing this process. But for filming purposes, I just went ahead and did it in my room. But as you guys can see, I'm continuing to add more and more water to my hair because the wetter my hair is, the more defined my curls will be. So next, to lay down my edges, I'm going to use the 24-hour edge tamer from the Creme of Nature coconut milk collection. I just need a little bit of this, and I'm going to apply it directly to my edges. And then just using my handy dandy edge toothbrush, I'm going to use that to smooth my edges into place. This has literally been one of my favorite edge controls since this came out, like in January of 2018. There aren't many edge gels out there that actually lay my edges down all day, and I can definitely say this one is super thick, and it's also really moisturizing, so it makes it easy to apply it to your edges and smooth it down the way that you like it. I don't do this all the time, but sometimes I will take like a small satin scarf and just apply it around my edges to lay them down in place while I dry my hair. Now, if you're in a really hot city like I am in Miami, it might not be necessary to fully blow dry your hair out. I just personally like to do this because it helps me to make sure that I know exactly what my style is going to look like rather than leaving the house with wet hair. And as you guys can see, my hair is not completely dry here, but it is about 70% dry, so it'll dry easily and not be dripping when I leave the house. And my curls are super moisturized and defined with just that one product. So here is my game day look. Sometimes people are afraid to rock their natural hair in college events. Trust me, I get it. I was in that same position, but it's super cute and it's easy to do. So once I get back home from all of the daytime festivities, it is time to refresh and get myself together for the nighttime activities. Just first removing my little football eye patches and then just refreshing the makeup where I had to take it off. Okay, so next, this is a super easy wash and go refreshing hack that I just randomly discovered and I fell in love with, so I highly recommend it. I'm going to use the coconut milk curl quench curling mousse along with the coconut milk 7 essentials oil, and just mix those two products together to apply to my curls just to refresh it and get rid of some frizz and add some shine. Typically with the one hydrating curling cream that I used earlier, I can just last all day with that without getting any type of frizz with my hair. But let's say it's just really hot, your curls start shrinking up, you get some frizz, or maybe you press your head against something and your curls get smashed. Definitely try just using a mousse and an oil to refresh your wash and go, because you won't disturb the curl pattern, but it'll definitely help to add some moisture and just revive the shine and definition. You can also use this technique to refresh your curls on second day hair as well. So once I'm done applying those two products to my hair, then I am ready to get dressed up for the nighttime activities, and this is my nighttime look. This is honestly a wash and go hack that I wish I would have discovered earlier, because there are tons of days when I had long college days and then at night I wanted to turn up, but then I ended up re-washing my hair and just doing my whole wash and go over again when this super easy technique exists. Definitely check out Cream of Nature's coconut milk collection. I'll link it down below for you guys to find, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye.